Hello everybody. It is like very early on this Saturday morning, but we got the damn donuts thanks to my stepmom's mom, so big shout out. They smell very good. Here is said donut. It's very good. It has a lot more Mountain Dew forward taste than the pie. The Baja Blast pie has a lot more, like, it tastes a lot more like dew than the pie, even the gelato did. If I had the hot sauce, I'd be dipping it in the hot sauce, but you know what we do on this channel. You already knew this was coming. Broke off a nice little piece here. You know, it's not that bad. It's just the inception of all the Mountain Dew is insane. Yeah, that is a lot more similar in palate. Yeah, I'm gonna give the donuts a 9 out of 10, which I know sounds crazy, but they are very good. But yeah, that was it for the Mountain Dew Donuts review. I'm gonna keep the box. I'm gonna finish the donut, and I will see you guys soon. Probably with these. These are Kroger exclusive. So if you can, if these sound interesting to you, run to your local Kroger. They should be there. But alright, you guys have a good rest of your day.